to Kayron International School. My name is Lokia Jibin-Yaro, and I am the head of the management team here at Kayron. I am honored, I am delighted, I am excited to be welcoming you here today. It is indeed fantastic to have you here today. I want to say thank you for choosing Kayron, and I also want to say to you that indeed you have not made a mistake by choosing Kayron. You have made the right choice, because at Kayron International School we are committed to providing the best quality teaching for our children. Now, some of you have written our entrance examinations and are eager to see the school. For our returning students who have been away for a while, I'm sure a lot of you are eager to see what the school looks like as we're expecting you back. Now, we're here today to give you a tour, a virtual tour of the school. Before the tour, I want to call on someone that is very important to this school. I want to call on Mr. Austin, who is the principal of the college. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Austin Osa, Principal, Kayron College. Permit me to specially welcome you on behalf of management, staff, and students of this great institution. I hope you are all staying safe and well in this trying period. Many of you have written our entrances online and are very eager to join us. However, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, you've not had the opportunity to visit our campus to see what we have to offer. Also, our returning students that left months ago have not had the privilege to see the transformation that had occurred in school. You don't need to worry. We have you covered. You have the privilege to have a tour of the school while you sit in the comfort of your homes. However, before that, permit me to tell you about our school. We are a leading, top-notch educational institution that's come with the aim of developing internationally minded students through the use of technology, inquiry minds, and hands-on learning across the curriculum. Why Kayron College? As a school, we have our strength, and our strength lies in our curriculum, staff, and our facilities. We operate a robust curriculum. Our staff are well-trained, qualified, and certified to teach the subject they teach in school. Our facilities are well established to meet our teaching and learning needs. When can you join us? The time to join us is now. Do not delay or procrastinate. Our doors are wide open. Finally, everyone in Kayron College is eagerly looking forward to welcoming you to our community when the government reopens our school again. And we are very sure this will not be a long time to come. However, in the meantime, do stay safe and take care by observing all the protocol sets for COVID-19. Permit me to introduce to you our curriculum director. Thank you.
My name is Ngozi Emezue. I am the head of Curriculum and Pastoral for Kayron International School. I want to welcome you again to the school. Kayron International School is a learning community. We are committed to academic excellence, nurturing each child to their full potential, whilst developing leaders for the dynamic global society of the 21st century. We run a hybrid curriculum that is a balanced blend between the Nigerian and the British curriculum. Now, the Nigerian curriculum is very rich in content and, if you ask me, quite rigorous. And the British curriculum is laced with all the practice, all the hands-on, all the demonstrations, and our sole aim of having this blend is to see that at the end of the day, we turn out leaders who are critical thinkers, who are problem solvers, who are communicators, creators, and who will take the world by storm. Now, we cannot achieve all this without a balanced workforce. That is the staff. We pride ourselves as having the most competent, dedicated, and experienced members of faculty. Let me tell you, every member of the senior leadership team and all the teachers who are members of every faculty, they have at least an additional degree. That is the second degree or what people call the master degree. At Kayron International School, we believe that training and retraining of our staff is key. We train and retrain our staff to keep abreast with the ever-changing and ever-evolving 21st century. Our staff have different certifications. We have the IGCSE, pedagogical trainings, educare modules, even the child protection certifications. So my sole responsibility in this school is to make sure that the curriculum is fully covered, to make sure that you enjoy the lessons. And from time to time, you'll be seeing me more often coming to check your notes, coming to have talks with you, and coming to find out how much of the curriculum you enjoy. And of course, my doors will be fully opened for you. At this juncture, I have the singular opportunity to invite the head of administration and admissions, Mrs. Anderson.
Dear esteemed parents, I am Mrs. Ratsonel Addison, the head of admin and admission at Kayron International School. I am indeed delighted to welcome you to our child-friendly school, which boasts of a rich curriculum, professional and technology-driven educators, and 21st century facilities. This year, our admissions have been moved online because of the pandemic, which has ravaged the whole world, to meet contemporary needs, so that you can stay home and stay safe. We have conducted several online entrance examinations, and we can say that admissions look promising into our school. Admissions is still ongoing. For more information, you can contact us via our website, www.kayronschools.com, our Facebook page, Kayron International School, and our Instagram page at Kayron_school. We hope to hear from you soon, as we look forward to welcoming your ward and your family into the Kayron International School. Now let's take a tour.
Hi, it's with great pleasure that I welcome you to Kayron International School. I'm Miracle Hetswe, and I'm in year 7K, and with me here is
Testimony Nick Ogwedu. I'm in year 7I.
As you can see, we're observing social distancing, the new normal.
On a normal school day, this is how we are dressed for school.
But because of COVID-19, this is the way we dress for school.
Now the new normal.
This is how we dress now.
As your tour guide, let's show you around our school.
Come on.
Oh, by the way, this is the principal's apartment.
No student goes there.
Entry point into our school. Our contentless handwatch center ensures everyone is safe and protected. Come, let's demonstrate it for you.
Our teachers are all on standby to ensure that we are well sanitized before entry. Let's go. is cozy. Welcome to the reception.
This is the complete school uniform for boys and girls. Beautiful, right? And these are the hostel wears for boarders.
See our amazing trophy cabinet that constantly reminds us of those victorious moments we have had throughout the years. I believe we can win more when you join us.
Now, let's go to the science lab.
This is our science lab where we have all our science practicals and other experiments as we begin our journey through becoming the next Albert Einstein.
Let me show you our ICT lab. Welcome to the ICT lab. This is where we have our assignments and research work, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic when everything is done online.
This is our library where we do our reading. As it says here, readers are leaders.
One child, one book can change the world.
Now let's go to our classroom. These are our classes, and these are the shelves where students can keep their personal belongings, and it's right next to our classrooms.
Here is one of our classrooms, spacious, well ventilated, and well arranged.
Our classrooms are equipped with educational displays, interactive boards, projectors, and speakers to make learning fun and interesting.
This is the way to our isolation center. Hopefully, no one will be admitted here because we have everything on ground to keep us safe. This is the isolation room. As I said before, hopefully, no one will be admitted here because we have everything on ground to keep us safe.
This is the hostels, and let's take a look at the females hostel. Females only, please.
Welcome to the female hostel. This is the common room where we have announcements with our hostel mistress and devotion. Come, let's show you one of our rooms. This is one of the rooms. We have the bunk beds, the wardrobes, and the reading corner for prep. This is what makes our hostel wonderful.
This is our music studio. Let's go inside. This is where we do our music classes, we play our favorite instruments, and we also do voice rehearsal, singing practice in this room.
Welcome to our health unit. Remember, health is wealth. Our health unit is managed by qualified medical professionals to really keep us safe. We have a hospital attached to our school. Should there be any need to transfer a student for further treatment? Welcome to the Joseph Hall. This is our kitchen. This is where our hygienic and well-prepared food are made for day students and boarders. I assure you, everything you eat from this kitchen is safe. Can you guess what happens in this room? This is where we learn different types of vocations, such as tailoring and the home economics. Learning here is so much fun.
This is our school dining where we have lunch, and for the boarders, they have breakfast and dinner here.
Let's go see our college extension building.
Welcome to our college building extension.
In there we have the classrooms, and that is the science building where we have laboratories, ICT, and the library.
Beautiful, right?
Yes. And the last place of it all, let's go to the sports center.
Welcome to Kayron International School Sports Center.
This is the well-equipped sports center with AstroTurf for football, Titan track for athletics, high jump, and long jump, all in this wonderful sports center. We hope you had fun watching the tour of our school. Thank you.
We hope to see you soon. Bye.